Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system projected on 3-minute chart with the software for NinjaTrader 8 platform. In today's class, I will be teaching multiple time frames and how to trade charts from micro time-based charts to range charts to daily, weekly, monthly. What's important to note on this chart? With the power of the system and software, you know where your stop is, you know where your entry is, you know where critical key targets to the downside is. The bullish pullback from the bold pink zone is no surprise. It's expected, especially if you are trading against institutional bias. And when the short reaches green zone and critical key decision point 2 and price skyrockets completely, no one is surprised. That is absolutely expected. This is a place you monitor for long. You never, ever short into. Shorts played out in multiple charts in overnight session. Software projected on 3-minute chart. But if I bring to your attention oil weekly. Before I left to New York, what did we discuss? Sell-off is on from the bold pink line. No software on this chart whatsoever, only the system. With the power of the rules and simplicity you know far in advance, as you will witness this Wednesday during oil news. This is key level to the downside. Monitor for long. Do not short into. And that's identical level on every instrument, every time frame, every platform. Amazon. Bullish rally skyrocketed this year. Amazon collapsed in 2022. No software on this chart, and you know this far in advance with the power of simplicity and Alpha Fibonacci Rules. So if I bring it to your attention back, S&P mini future, what did we discuss with students? This is key level to the downside. This is key retail support. We need the price to crash through this level. Intelligent trader knows far in advance. This is key moment this morning on S&P mini future. This is where market skyrocketed from. And you know this many hours in advance. I'm converting this chart to 1. This is predictive simplicity. This is a power. You do not have to come to classes. Most of the students never come to classes. They view videos 24/7. Most students run their own businesses or live in different parts of the world. Over 300 videos of prior live recorded classes. All you have to do is make an effort. That's it. No software required. Never, ever. What did we discuss with students pre-market? Cannot short into this level. So if price keeps bouncing from this level, it's because institutions remain long. This was stunning place to buy from. This is not. This is extremely aggressive. So if market ticks off and skyrocket from this level, only aggressive longs. And again, you knew this well before market open. Number 1, you never, ever short into this level. Again, identical event played out on Amazon this year. Identical event played out on Euro this year. Identical level will be key on Euro next. Absolutely no software on Euro. System traded globally since 2011 by traders from 14 to 80 plus year old, by JP Morgan traders who are not using NinjaTrader 8 software and trading on charts and platforms I never even heard of. So what you're witnessing now with the software for NinjaTrader 8 and without shows you we have a major problem with a single glimpse. Why? Because your trading range extremely narrow. Market is brutal. We need the price to crush and burn. Intelligent trader plays by the rules, understanding this is vicious, nasty market. This is broker's money printing machine. If you buy near this level, it's a problem. If you short near this level, all the shorts fail for the last 3 hours. You always trade with the highest probability, not the lowest possibility. It would be a gift if market will sell off and crash. Intelligent trader engraves in subconscious highest quality trades. At this level, they do not exist. Only aggressive. That's it. Cannot short into bold green zone. Cannot buy bold red zone. Ouch. It's a problem. Extremely aggressive and dangerous market in a play. With the software, you know this with a single glimpse. Without software, you're extremely well prepared and know this far in advance. So if institutions defending this level and adding to their longs, you learned your lesson extremely well. This is spectacular, breathtaking bullish rally, despite catastrophic events. We have not seen bullish rally like this in many years. Check. Institutions are long. This is expected. That's it. Institutional traders adding to long positions. Retail trader tested to the core. That's it. So when you're using your limitless brain, everything changes. Institutional traders trading someone else's money. Institutional traders hundreds and hundreds of points in profit. Can buy and sell anywhere. They can be negative for days, weeks and months with someone else's money. But if you are trading your own account, be a lot more careful. Conservative trades at this level do not exist. Only extremely aggressive. So if you are a retail trader, that's a market now. This is software, this is not. And you knew this far in advance. Doesn't matter what chart you trade. It's a brick wall to the downside. And that's a market open with Alpha Fibonacci system on S&P mini future, on every single chart, on 1, on 3, on 5, on 10, on 15, on any chart. Identical event on euro, on oil, on Amazon, on Apple, on Bitcoin, on gold, on any instrument you choose to trade. That's it. Market stuck in brutal chop. Institutional traders adding to longs. Conservative trades for retail trader at this level do not exist. Only extremely aggressive. And that's simplicity of the system. And that's your spectacular effort. Where you know far in advance, where your entry, stop and target is, where you know far in advance what not to short into, where you know far in advance what institutional traders do. You ride their power. So since the end of October, you've been buying the market. It doesn't matter what's happening in the rest of the world. You're extremely clear. When others are fearful, you are greedy. Correct? That's it. And that's the start of the current event in October. And that's the market now. Breathtaking and spectacular. So price continue chopping at these levels. Markets will be brutal. But again, what's important to know? Bullish reversal started pre-market, correct? And we knew far in advance Number one, this is not the place to short. Number two, we have problem to the upside for retail traders. That's it. Aggressive, dangerous, vicious, overextended rally remains long. Institutional traders not taking any profits off the table, only adding to their positions. So 35 systems later, I promise you, the best things in the market are simple. All the baggage, all the complexities coming from junky system loaded in your subconscious, from junky indicators you think will make you a lot of money. So if you're searching for $99 indicators that will make you millionaire, look around. Have you seen anyone making money with that? There is only one safe haven, your knowledge of pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exits. When you can trade that, you can trade anything you choose. So this morning we are dealing with institutional brick wall to the upside. And we identified this many days in advance. This brick wall is out, this brick wall is next. This brick wall is out, this brick wall to follow. Option traders love trading daily with Alpha Fibonacci system. As I just received another email from phenomenal option traders who have done exceptionally well this year. All posted under students' performance. Day trading not for everyone. For day trading you must make highest, ultimate effort. And number one, you need to pass psychological test. This is in play right now. Number two, you must have solid proven system. Number three, you need to obey the rules. That's it. So when you do all of that and you add spectacular technical execution, you are in excellent shape and you understand with a single glimpse. This is brutal, this is nasty retail trading range. This is retail morning. This is massive junk. Institutional traders holding longs. Institutional traders adding to positions. For retail trader, it's a massive problem. And that's software for NinjaTrader 8, released to the general public in 2019. But system traded globally on all instruments, all platforms, all time frames. This is NVIDIA. Again and again and again. Alpha Fibonacci system identified many months and years in advance that this is a place to buy NVIDIA. So if I'm taking you back to October 2022, one of the top traders on Wall Street exits multi-million-dollar position on NVIDIA. Kathy Woods exited with 200 million loss. Wow, top gambler on Wall Street. In the last 2 years, she lost $2 billion and she's still running hedge fund. We're laughing in the class where my intelligent traders know where to buy the bottom. So when she exits at 137, you understand very, very well. This is a place to buy NVIDIA from. From this level, NVIDIA skyrocketed 500%. Can you look at the chart once a day, once a week, once a month? Can you buy the bottom with institutions? Do you understand how critical this level on NVIDIA is right now? That NVIDIA in massive bearish correction. That spectacular earnings do not mean a thing when Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is reached. Correct? This level is out, NVIDIA in free fall. And you know this. Weeks and months in advance. Absolutely no software in this chart. Only proprietary strategies, proprietary rules, and your phenomenal effort. You decide what chart, what time frame you want to trade. Absolutely your personal choice. So if you want to trade better than Kathy Woods, I look forward to working with you. When you come to the website, you can always request invitation to the trading room where you can answer questions. You can view the movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13-year anniversary. You can come to our YouTube channel. You can view our students' performance. You can view our students' reviews. All identified on our homepage, where you can also view webinar Why Alpha Fibonacci is the ultimate way to trade. So when you scroll further, you will find all the answers on homepage. Proprietary system traded globally, all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or with software for NinjaTrader 8. So when you click on students' performance, you become blown away. No other website has this. So here's one of the emails I received from Legend Theo. You can listen to his podcast on our website. On futures, this is his performance with profit factor of 8 to 2. This is the most important number in your performance spreadsheet outside of the success rate, which means on every dollar on futures, he is making $8.22, trading with 86% success rate. But he's not just trading futures, he's also trading Forex. This is his success rate on Forex. Pay attention, please. Profit factor 17, success rate 92. Theo makes phenomenal effort, replaying markets non-stop. He's obsessed with system. You can find all the emails, all the results from students here. Richard just sent me an email that he's done incredibly well this year, trading Alpha Fibonacci system with options on stocks, managing multi-million-dollar account. But you do not have to have multi-million-dollar account. You can trade NASDAQ. Jennifer's husband Emmanuel brought her to the course. Now they are both full-time traders. Again, all on homepage. So when you listen to Theo, when you listen to Emmanuel, when you listen to trader stories, I look forward to receiving email from you. If these traders can do it, so can you. So please choose options appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. In private mentoring right now, I work with students in Australia, in Africa, in Japan, in Florida, in New York. Speak with me first. We need to discuss our private sessions, but you also have access to over 300 videos of prior live recorded classes, trading room and live classes. Because of the holidays, you're receiving an extra month in the group course. Group course 3 months with lifetime system and lifetime software. Private mentoring 4, but because of the holidays, you're receiving 4 months in group course. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. S&P remains stock and chop. In today's class, we will be discussing multiple charts, multiple instruments, multiple time frames, where you see instantly in a single class how you can day and position trade the system across all time frames, all platforms, all instruments.